and maybe there's a fence involved, but ideally, if like the ideal system would be like an animal that was somewhat predator proof, or you had some other animal in there that provided some kind of predator protection, or they were just smart enough that it wasn't an issue. So you didn't need fences, and the way that you would rotate them is you would move their food around.
Oh
So
yeah,
like you
makes
could
sense.
you could train them to like whatever you're going to feed them. Maybe it's a little bit of grain, or I don't know, alfalfa pellets, whatever they like. I don't really know what they eat. I know they like um, grains and stuff like that.
We'll call it duck food.
Duck food,
Find the
yeah,
duck food.
yeah. And so
The
with
duckweed.
yeah, well, definitely that. But like the thing is, like you need something that they can't get from the environment,
Oh,
so
their
that
happy food.
yeah.
It's their treats.
Um,
Okay.
and so, and then with that, you could basically rotate them around the property, and kind of give the area a bit of a respite before, so that the certain plants can
Yeah.
regrow and